this video I will show you how to add ThriveCart payment details to MS Excel automatically. So what will happen, every time a payment is received on any product purchase in ThriveCart, those payment details will be automatically added to MS Excel. In this way, you and your team can keep a track record of all the payments made in your ThriveCart software, and you do not have to manually export the payment data and paste it here, because all the sales will be automatically synced with Excel in real time. Do you also want to create this automation for yourself? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my ThriveCart account and this is the MS Excel sheet, and in order to automatically fetch all the sales into MS Excel, I'll have to first integrate these two applications, which I am going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software, and I am an existing user, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now after reaching out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided, basically I have pasted the name as add ThriveCart payment details to MS Excel, and you can provide any random name. Now simply click on create, and after that you will notice two boxes. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, whenever any new payment is made into ThriveCart software, then automatically add the payment details into the MS Excel application. Okay, so this is how you need to select both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect both the applications one by one with this Pabbly Connect software. Okay, so let us connect ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect first, but before that I am going to choose a trigger event, that is product purchase. Now it is up to you whether you want this automation to create for all the product purchase or for a specific product purchase. So how about I go with this product purchase for all the products. Okay, now click on connect, click on add new connection, and for the connection it will ask you the token. Okay, so if you are already logged in into the ThriveCart account, it will directly take you to the API section. Okay, click on this API's view settings. Okay, API keys view settings, and here you can create a new API key. Okay, I have already created keys. Okay, so how about I use the existing key. Okay, so I am going to copy this existing API key from here. Alright, so I'm copying this key, coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard. Let me paste the same here, clicking on save, and this is how my ThriveCart application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect immediately. Now here you can notice, since we are connected, it is asking the product status. Okay, so I will work with the test mode only, because I'm just showing you how you can create this automation. Okay, you can select the live mode. Now I am clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, wait for that, and here you can notice it is waiting. Read the instructions also. Once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, then do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means purchase of a new product. Okay, so let me take you to the ThriveCart dashboard. Here I am going to open some random product, and then I am going to make a purchase of that product in front of you, and basically this is going to be a dummy purchase. Okay, so let me click on this view checkout button, and as soon as I make a payment, you will notice that the details of that payment will be received here into the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, so let me provide the details one by one. So I have provided the dummy details. The name of the person is demo, the last name is customer. Here we have the email address. Okay, let me also correct the spelling, demo@pabblytools.com. Here I have provided a dummy phone number and also a billing address. Okay, now I will click on this continue button, and here you can notice a test transaction. To perform a test transaction, a card is already provided. Okay, so how about I copy and paste the same card here, providing the random CVV and the date of expiration application. Alright, clicking on this complete order, and now you will notice that as soon as the payment is success here, these details will be received via Pabbly Connect. Alright, the payment is done. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, and now let's wait for the response to be received here. Okay, and here you can notice that the response is received. Now let me show you the details one by one. So here you can notice the product price of $15. Okay, so the same amount has been captured here along with the currency. Okay, I'll show you where is the currency. Okay, here we have the product name also, here is the currency, here we have the purchased ID. Let me show you other details like the customer name. Alright, here we have the customer name, here we have the email address, the phone number, and the billing address also. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen? Every time some customer is going to make a payment into the ThriveCart, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect automatically and instantly and immediately, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, now moving further, I am going to send these payment details. I'm going to add these product and payment related details into the MS Excel. Okay, so here you can notice the application is already selected. Now I just need to connect this Microsoft Excel with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I'll select the action event, that is add row to our worksheet. Yes, I'm going to firstly add a new row, and in that row we are going to add all the details. Okay, clicking on connect, clicking on add new connection, clicking on connect with Microsoft Excel, and then you'll have to provide the access of your Excel account. Okay, well, because I am already logged in, so it is asking me for the permission directly. Okay, so I have provided the same, clicked on accept, and this is how my Microsoft application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect easily. Alright, so here you can see that Microsoft Excel is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the workbooks I have created inside my Microsoft Excel account have started visible here. Okay, and currently I'll select this all payment details, this specific workbook. Okay, so let me select the same, and in the worksheet, well, I have a single sheet only. I think it should be selected automatically, but firstly I'll have to refresh it so that the new worksheet can be selected here automatically. And did you notice that how that sheet 1 is selected automatically here as soon as I have refreshed this particular field? Now once your workbook and worksheet will be selected, you will notice that whatever the columns you have created inside your Excel sheet, the same column names will be visible here into the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me show you. Here we have the product name, price, date of payment, customer name, customer email, and customer phone number, and these are the same columns, that is product name, price, date of payment, customer name, customer email, and the customer phone number. Okay, and now I just need to provide the details one by one, and this is how all the payment details will be added here. Okay, and from where I'm going to provide this data, remember we have just captured this data into our previous step. Okay, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy the above data and paste it here. I'm going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now let me search for the product name, which was PHP for beginners. Okay, so I have added the same. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so I am repeating this thing once again, that whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, so let me also add the name of the customer. Okay, and again these details will be replaced automatically, asking for the customer email. Okay, so lastly I'm going to provide the phone number of the customer. Okay, so where is the phone number? I'll have to check. Alright, so this is the dummy phone number. Now I just need to click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response to be received. And then you will notice that how these details will be added to MS Excel, and here you can see the response is received, which is saying that the data has been added. Let me go back to my Microsoft Excel sheet and let me first refresh it. And here you can notice that all the details have been added here automatically. Okay, let me correct the formatting so that you can see the data very clearly. Okay, so here we have the product name, the same product name, that is PHP for beginners, the same price, the date of the payment, the customer name, customer email, and the customer phone number. Okay, well, the phone number is captured in this format. Okay, so you can easily change the format of this particular column. Okay, how you can do that, let me show you. Go to this number formatter, and here you will have to change this particular format type. Okay, so how about I keep it as text. Okay, clicking on OK, and now I'll click on that button once again, and this time I'll check whether the correct phone number is getting added or not. Okay, I'll have to wait for that. Let me first refresh it. Okay, the response is not received yet. I'll have to wait for that also. And here you can notice in the second row the correct phone number has been added here. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to make a payment via ThriveCart, basically someone is going to purchase any product which you have created into the ThriveCart, the details of that payment will be synced, will be added automatically into the MS Excel, and now you can share this data with anyone in your team very easily. Okay, and to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation into the description box. Okay, so you just need to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.